Let us discuss about Type 2 hypervisor. Type 2 hypervisor doesn't directly run on the hardware. Instead, it runs on the operating system. To use Type 2 hypervisor, what will you do? You will take one computer. On the top of this computer, you will install the operating system like Windows 10 operating system. On the top of this Windows 10 operating system, you will install the Type 2 hypervisor. On the top of this Type 2 hypervisor, you will create different virtual machines. On the top of these virtual machines, you will install the operating system. Then you will install the applications on the top of this operating system. This is how you will work with Type 2 hypervisor. It will not directly run on the hardware. Type 2 hypervisor rarely show up in server-based environment. So we don't use Type 2 hypervisor in the real networks. And they are suitable for individual PC users needing to run multiple operating systems without formatting their current operating systems. Let us say you are a software developer and you have one PC. On this PC, you have already installed Windows 10 operating system, and you have developed one software and you want to test your software on different operating system like Windows 11 operating system, Windows Server 2022 operating system, Linux operating system. So without formatting your computer, what will you do? You will install the Type 2 hypervisor on the top of this Windows 10 operating system. On the top of this Type 2 hypervisor, you will create multiple virtual machines. Okay, and on the top of these virtual machines, you will install Windows 11 operating system, Windows Server 2022 operating system, and Linux operating system, and you can test your software here without formatting your current operating system. Type 2 hypervisor is less secured than Type 1 hypervisor because there is a mediator between Type 2 hypervisor and hardware. So here if you see, this is the Type 2 hypervisor and this is the hardware. Between this Type 2 hypervisor and hardware, we have the operating system. So which makes this Type 2 hypervisor less secured. And it is very slow as well. It is slower than Type 1 hypervisor. Again, the same reason we have the mediator between Type 2 hypervisor and hardware.